Putting a Central Indiana hardware label on this door so we can identify the door. This is a fire rated opening. We're checking the labels to make sure they're legible. This label here has paint on it. We'll make a note of that. Next, we're going to check and see if there's any holes in the frame. We do see a hole here in the frame where a mute is missing. We'll make note of that. We'll also take pictures of the opening, pictures of the labels, and we'll take pictures of all the deficiencies. Next, we'll check and see if there's any glass or glazing. This door is flush, so we want to check that. We'll check the hinges and the door hardware to make sure they're in proper order. This opening is not self-closing, so we'll make a note of that. And we'll check and see if there's any missing or broken parts. Seems to be compliant. We're going to check for door clearances. 1/8 inch gap on steel doors is allowable. Here we see that this gap is 3/16, so we'll make a note of that. Top clearance, 1/8 inch. Jam clearance, 1/8 inch. And we'll check the bottom of the door. We see that this is over the 3/4 limit, so we'll make a note of that. Latch seems to be working properly. If any field modifications been performed, none that we can see. We'll check for gasketing if required. It's not required on this frame. And we'll check the signage on the door. It cannot be more than 5% of the face of the door. We don't see any signage. So we have 4 violations on this fire door and frame. We'll make notes of those. We'll have pictures of those. We'll put them in a binder and give that to the owner. Thank you.